From where did it come? See.
It's from the.
From the. Yay. You want to
I'm
open
so
it now?
excited to open it.
You're so excited. Open it. Open it then. Let's see what comes out. What is it?
It was the thing you asked me for. Is it the same thing?
Yes.
Just check.
Oh, it's a bit colorful.
Wow.
Oh,
Colorful. Show us.
beautiful.
Wow.
I love it.
Open it. Open it.
I love the colors.
Very colorful. Let me help you. Wow.
Show me, show
What
me.
is it?
Oh,
What is it?
oh. Very nice.
See, it works like this.
Looks like this. Are you
Oh,
excited?
just like a bubbles. The bubble packing bubbles. Yeah, oh, they are
Put it
very
on your
nice.
lap.
They're
Put it on your lap and show us how it works. Just push
Upside
it,
down?
It comes out.
Upside down?
Pushes it comes out.
See here? Oh.
It's made of silicone. Wow. Is it fun?
Yes. It's relaxing my brain.
It's relaxing your brain. It is to relax your mind, you know. It's an exercise.
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
Show us, closely. Wow. How does it work?
Can I play with it? Oh yeah, this is very
I
nice.
want to play with
no. Okay, take it back.
I'm just super excited. Amga, you wish for the same toy?
You asked me. I think you told me that you saw this with your friend in your friend's
Yes.
hand in your school, right? So
It's a
I
reward
think
for
4 or
your
5
studies.
days earlier I placed the order for you.
Yes, it's a reward for Amga for his good studies.
Of course, you study very well. That's why it's a reward for you. You love it?
love
Amga,
it.
would you like to share this
Is the
toy
size
with us?
good? You want to
Yes.
share something?
I also want to relax my
Hey,
mind. Can I
no.
play with this?
You want to share this thing with your friends on your online friends or your internet? You want
Yes.
to say, okay, tell them something about this product. You like it?
Yes. It's
So, do you
super-
recommend this thing to others?
Yes.
With the same age
Of
group?
course.
All right.
It's a relaxing exercise.
It's fun. It's beautiful, and the special thing,
Just
I
put it
love the
somewhere and
color.
then
It's
play.
a
Yes.
beautiful
Somewhere
color.
And I also like the.
But you have to use it properly
You put it on
while
the
you play,
surface.
or you.
You put it on a surface, anywhere. Yes. Now show us. Now show us.
Oh, very nice.
Now show us
Very
how it works. Wow, you're pushing it. It's coming out. Is it coming out?
Yes.
When does it come out?
See, I'm pushing this.
Yes.
And it's coming outside at the back.
From the bag, right. Are you happy?
Yes.
You want to say some word about this gift?
This is the best gift I have ever had.
That was the best gift you ever had?
Huh? Don't say this. Don't say this.
Yes.
Okay, love you. Chalo. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.